Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable or disable graphics acceleration Chrome. Open Google Chrome. There, click on the menu and click on Settings. You will go to the System section. To disable graphics acceleration, disable the switch. Use graphics acceleration when available. You must click on Relaunch to apply this change. Now to enable it again, activate the switch. Use graphics acceleration when available. Again, click on Relaunch to confirm the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.